Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll show you two ways to make money on Fiverr. Yes, this is worldwide, so it doesn't matter wherever you are, whether you are in Nigeria, whether you are in Ghana, in the United States or Kingdom. It doesn't matter. This works worldwide. You can do it from wherever you are. So all you gotta do is you watch this video till the end, and then you learn everything step by step, and then you start making money online with Fiverr. Okay, what is Fiverr? A lot of people ask this question. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is like a marketplace where people advertise themselves. I mean, whatever they can do, they will publish it there as a gig. So businesses and then individuals come there to buy their gigs from those publishers. So let's assume you know how to write article. So you go to Fiverr and then you publish it there. Article writer, and then I can do this, I can do that. So when people come in there, they see that I'm looking for article writer. So they actually contact you, the publisher, and then contact with you, and then if everything goes on point, they order the gig and then they pay you for that. So that is what we are going to do. As I said, I'll give you two ways to make money from there. So the first thing that you have to look at is tell me that you love me even if it's fake. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel. My name is Nanayao and I do videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get the alerts anytime I drop videos like this and then more. And if you love the video so far, all you gotta do is you hit on that like button. As I said earlier, I'll not waste your time. I'll keep this video short. So with that being said, let's head over to my screen and then get started. Okay, so you welcome back to my screen. This is Fiverr.com. As I told you, it's like a marketplace where you can advertise yourself. I mean, you advertise whatever you can do online. But in this video, I will show you what you can promote here. I mean, what you would do. It doesn't matter whether you know how to do it or not. You would be able to do it. So this is Fiverr. So when you are here, all you have to do is you take your cursor to the join. So you click on it and then you create an account with Fiverr.com. If you want me to do a video about how to create a Fiverr account, kindly comment below so that I do video about it. But in this video, I'm not going to do the registration. But if you want me to, all you gotta do is you comment below so that I know that you want me to teach you how to sign up with them. So as I said, this is it. Find the perfect freelance service for your business. So as I said, businesses and individuals come here to purchase gigs from publishers, and then they pay them after the work is being done. So this is it. So let me type in here logo maker. So logo, as you can see, I've got a couple of options in here. So let me click on one of them, which is logo design. So as you can see here, a bunch of people are offering this kind of service. Sorry, a lot of people are offering this kind of service. Like this is, I will create a logo design, branding and brand style site or guide, and this guy is offering this service for $15, and this one says I will design a professional logo for legal attorney or law firm. This is also offering it for $15. That is the starting. And then as you can see, this guy is really charging high, $1,100. And then our studio will design your logo and website. So this one is logo attached with a website. So if you scroll all the way down, you see a bunch of people offering this kind of service, and then it's being purchased, because as you can see on Fiverr, before you get a review, you need to someone needs to buy something from you before they can review it. So as you can see here, those people having this review, they have their gigs being purchased by other people. And then let's also search for background remover. Okay, let me hit on it. Okay, so as you can see, a bunch of people are also offering this kind of service. I'll remove background 25 images in less than 24 hours, and the person is selling this gig for $5, and then I'll do remove background or cut out 120 images super fast, and this girl is also offering this service for $5. So guys, this is what we are going to do in this video. I will teach you how to remove background from images, and then you can come here and then publish as a gig in here, and then you start making dollars here. And then I will also teach you how you can make logo, and then you come here and sell it here, all for free. You don't need to pay anything or something like that. All I am teaching you is for free. So let's jump in and then look at it. So the first one that we are going to talk about is the remove background from images. So to remove the background from images, I urge everyone to go to a website called remove.bj. remove.bj. I repeat, remove.bj. As you can see here, remove bj, how to use. When you come in here, you can click on how to use, and then you learn more about them. So it's a website which helps you to take off backgrounds from photos. As you can see here, this lady has a photo which has no background or something like that. So if you take a picture and then the background is not good, like if you think the background is not nice for you, you can come here and then take off the background from it. So what we are going to do is, when you publish this on Fiverr, somebody will come and purchase, like they will pay. So when they pay you, they will send you the email which they want you to remove the background from. So all you gotta do is you take that image and then you bring it here, background or remove bg. So when you are here, you just click on the upload image. So let me click on upload image, and then it will take you to your files. So when you are here, you select the picture that you want to remove the background from. So let me take one of my pictures, and then okay, so I'll pick one of my images, and then let me pick this one. Good, and then click on open. So once I click on open, it will upload here. So let's wait. Failed to run captcha. Is there any? There was no captcha in here. Okay, so you try to upload it again. Okay, let me pick it. Open. Okay, so it's uploading. Good. So you see that the picture had background image, like as you can see in here. So the moment I upload it here, the background has changed to this color. So this is it. After you've gotten it like this, all you gotta do is you click on the download button, click on it, and then as you can see here, it has pop up for me to save it, and I'll save it. Very good. And then it's been saved. So let me click on it to check, and then boom, the background has been removed. So this is what you gotta do. Once you've gotten the image like this, you go to Fiverr and then you send the client this image, because that is what he wants. That is what the client wants. He wanted the background to be removed, and now you've done it just like how he wanted it. So this is it. You sell it for the person like $5, $10, $15. But as a beginner, I urge you to start from $5. From there, you are going to move forward. Once you are growing on Fiverr, you can start increasing your pricing as well. So guys, this is how you can remove background images. You can go to Fiverr and then create a gig and then start making money with this background remover. And then the next one that we are going to look at is logo maker. So once you are here, go to hatch4.com or you never mind, I will leave the links under the description so you can check them out. So once you are here, you see create stunning logos in seconds, introducing Heartful as simple logo maker. So this also works like clients will also bring you works like they want a logo for their businesses. It could be coffee, it could be any kind of business. So once you have taken the offer, you come to here. As I said, I'll leave the link under the description, so you make sure you check them out. So once you are here, you click on get started. So let me click on get started. Very good. And once you click on get started, it brings you to this page which says choose your business space. This helps us create better design. So what did the client want? Was the business for arts and photo? Was it about tech? Was it about children, pets, games, services, sports and rec, fashion, health and beauty, home and garden? What was the business about? None of the above. You click on none of the above. They will give you the best offers or options for you to choose from. So let's imagine it was about fashion. So I'll click on fashion and then click on next. So once you click on next, they will bring you this to choose from. Visual styles. Do you want it to be bold, calm, reliable, classic, conservative, or creative, elegant, energetic, friendly, or whatever you want? You can choose it from here. And then if what they've provided here is not what you wanted, you can click on none of the above, and then they will give you the best offers or the best options. So let me click, or let me choose modern from here. I don't know which of them looks good, but when you are here, you can try all of them to see which one is the best. But here I'll choose modern. And then, so what was the name of the business? So let's say Yaps Tech. Don't pay more attention about it. This is just a tutorial. So, and then the slogan maybe make money and learn. Only if the business has a slogan, that's where you put in this. But if it doesn't, you just put in the business name and then you go straight forward. So after this, you click on next. Okay, so tell us where the logo will be used. Choose all that may apply. So is the logo going to be used on websites, social media, print and swag, business cards, large surfaces, physical stores, or if none of the above, you click on this one. So for this tutorial, I'll check all of these and then click next. Okay, so let's wait for a while to see what comes after. It seems my network is really slow. Okay, so we made these logos for you. Choose one to start editing. You can pick a different logo anytime. So they've made all these logos for us, so you can choose which of them or which one you like best. So as you can see here, a bunch of logos. Yaps Tech, make money and learn as the slogan, and then this one, Yaps Tech, and then I think this one looks pretty good. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. Yes, as you can see, you have a bunch of logos in here where you can choose from. So you browse through all the logos and then you pick the best one which you think it will suit the interest of your client, and then you deliver it to him. So let's assume for this tutorial, let's pick this one and then go straight forward. So I'll pick this one, and then from here I can start editing the logo. If I no more need the slogan, I can just clear it off and it's gone. If I want it, I'll just bring it, as you can see here. And the business name, if you don't want the business name to appear no more, you can just clear it off. Just check in here, then you clear all of this and it's gone. If you want it back, you just type in here. That is it. And then you can also change the fonts, as you can see here. Sorry. You can change the font. Yes, as you can see here, the names have started changing. That's the font, as you can see. So you pick the best one which suits the interest of your client, and you can also change the colors as well. If you're not interested in this color, you can start editing them. You changing them, and I think this one looks pretty good. You can start changing the colors to suit the interest of your clients. Okay, so we have a bunch of colors to choose from, and then you can also change the layouts as well. The layouts, you can change them and then pick the one which is good for your client. So change the font, the name, you click on next, and once you are done, it's time for us to download our logo. So what do we gotta do? All you gotta do is click on download logo, and then we put in our email here, blah 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 blah.com, and then password just to sign up. After signing up, we see the download again, and then once we click on download, the logo is going to be sent to us in our email address, and then we download it straight forward. So guys, this is what I have for you. That like button, as I always say, the moment you hit on that like button, it motivates me. Wow, people are liking my videos, people love what I do, so that gives me motivation to do more researches and bring you results like this. But if you don't like the videos, it discourages me. People don't like what I'm doing. Do I have to stop? Sometimes I sit down and I think about it. Should I stop this? But because I love you, because I care about you, that is why I am still here doing more researches and then bringing you the result. So make sure you always like the videos after watching, and then comment below if you want or if you need anything from me, and then I promise to deliver everything that you ask. So today we've learned two things: how to make a logo and then publish on Fiverr and then make money from it, and then how to remove picture images or background images and then deliver it to your clients and start making money from it. So guys, this is what I have for you. As I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit on the like button. And then if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, this is what I do every day. I create videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you are interested in that, all you gotta do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you'll be the first person to get the alerts anytime I drop videos like this and then more. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.